Ever wondered how that shiny, colorful piece of hard candy goes from a bubbling syrup to a delicious sweet in your hand? Today, we're unwrapping the mouth-watering truth behind hard candy and its surprisingly scientific creation process. From boiling sugar to precision timing and flavors you didn't know existed. This video is packed with tasty secrets that'll leave your brain buzzing and your sweet tooth craving more. If you love fun facts that stick like caramel and stories that melt in your imagination, you're in the right place. So grab your favorite treat, sit back, and let's explore the sugary world of candy like never before. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because the truth never tasted this sweet. 1. The sugar base begins the journey. Hard candy starts with a simple base sugar and water. This combination is heated until the sugar dissolves completely, forming a thick syrup. As the temperature rises past 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the syrup enters what's called the hard crack stage. This is the moment the magic begins, when the syrup is hot enough to become rigid once cooled. No gelatin, flour, or starch is used, just the intense chemistry of sugar under heat. It's a delicate balance. One wrong move, and it can burn or crystallize. Professionals monitor with thermometers and trained eyes. Once the right temp is hit, the syrup becomes glass-like. This is what gives hard candy its signature snap and shine. From lollipops to candy canes, it all begins here. Just a few degrees decide between success and stickiness. It's part science, part culinary art. 2. Color is added at just the right time. The brilliant colors in hard candy don't come from the sugar itself, they're added after heating. Colorants must be mixed in while the syrup is hot but not boiling. This ensures an even distribution without altering the texture. Some candies are multicolored, requiring careful layering or twisting while cooling. Natural or synthetic dyes can be used, and precision is key. Too much, and it stains; too little, and it fades. Coloring also helps signal flavor: red for cherry, green for mint, and so on. It's a psychological trick too. Our brains taste with our eyes first. Candy makers often experiment to find the perfect hue. Timing is everything in this vibrant process. One splash too early or late can ruin the whole batch. So every swirl of color is a calculated decision. 3. Flavoring is all about timing. Just like coloring, flavoring must be added at a precise moment. If added while the syrup is too hot, flavors like peppermint or lemon can burn off. Most flavorings are concentrated oils, meaning a tiny drop goes a long way. Professional candy makers rely on their noses as much as their tools. The syrup is stirred gently to avoid bubbles while evenly spreading flavor. Some candies blend multiple flavors for a layered experience. Others stay classic and bold. Too much flavor can overpower or turn bitter, and some scents linger in equipment. That's why machines are often dedicated to just one type of candy. This is where the candy gets its personality. Without flavor, all you'd have is sweet, sticky glass. 4. Cooling creates the crystal texture. Once flavor and color are set, the syrup is poured onto cooling tables or molds. These metal surfaces rapidly lower the temperature, preventing sugar from crystallizing. This is crucial for that smooth, glassy texture we all expect. Candy must be shaped quickly before it hardens. In large-scale operations, mechanical arms stretch or roll the syrup into thin ropes. In small batches, skilled hands twist and cut pieces with impressive speed. Cooling also locks in shape and stops flavor from evaporating. Fans or chilled surfaces may be used to speed up the process. It's one of the most visually stunning steps, watching gooey syrup become shiny candy. Within minutes, the material goes from lava hot to cool and crunch ready. The transformation is almost magical. 5. Hard candy is technically a glass. Though it sounds strange, hard candy is considered an amorphous solid, similar to glass. That means it has no crystal structure, even though it's solid at room temperature. This gives candy its transparency and smooth break. Unlike crystalline candy like fudge, hard candy shatters instead of crumbling. Scientists study these properties for both food science and materials research. The sugar molecules are locked in random positions after cooling. That's what prevents the candy from becoming gritty. It's also why hard candy can get sticky over time. Moisture affects this delicate state. To extend shelf life, candies are sealed tightly in dry conditions. You're not just eating sugar, you're eating science. It's an edible version of chemistry class with a sweet twist. 6. Humidity is the enemy. Moisture is the main reason your hard candy gets sticky or cloudy. Because sugar attracts water, humid air breaks down the candy's smooth surface. That's why candy factories are climate-controlled zones. Even a small rise in humidity can ruin hundreds of pounds of product. Some candies include anti-caking agents to repel moisture. Packaging is also a frontline defense. Sealed wraps and desiccants keep the treats crunchy. If you've ever found a gummy candy stuck to a hard one, you've seen sugar chemistry gone rogue. Storage matters more than you think. Always keep hard candy in airtight containers. This helps preserve flavor, appearance, and texture. 7. Shapes are crafted with precision. From swirls to spirals, candy shapes aren't just decorative, they're engineered. Molds, rollers, and cutters are designed to shape candy while it's still pliable. Machines must move quickly before the syrup hardens. Some candies are hand-pulled, a tradition dating back centuries. Others are mass-produced with laser-cut molds. Candy canes are bent manually or with shapy arms. Novelty candies, like animal shapes or brand logos, require custom tooling. The goal is not just beauty but uniform size for consistent flavor and packaging. 8. Safety gear is non-negotiable. Making hard candy involves temperatures over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so safety is paramount. Professional candy makers wear heat-resistant gloves, goggles, and long sleeves. Burns from sugar syrup are severe, as it sticks to skin like molten glue. Even home candy makers are urged to use caution when handling hot mixtures. Tools must withstand high heat and constant motion. Candy labs are often equipped with fire suppression systems. Ventilation is crucial to manage vapor and heat. Training and timing are everything. One slip, and the results can be dangerous. 9. Some candies take weeks to perfect. While most hard candy is made in a day, some gourmet varieties are aged or layered over time. Think of striped ribbon candies or multi-flavored spirals. Each layer must cool before the next is added. Some artisanal processes involve cold rooms and manual rolling over several days. Even humidity-controlled rest periods are common. This isn't fast food, it's handcrafted sweetness. Time also allows flavors to mellow or blend more fully. These candies often cost more, but the taste and appearance speak for themselves. Like fine chocolate or wine, patience makes a difference. 10. There's science in every lick. Ever noticed how a round lollipop wears down evenly? That's physics in action. Hard candy dissolves through a process called diffusion, where sugar molecules interact with your saliva. Scientists even studied how many licks it takes to reach the center, around 500 on average. The shape, size, and flavor coating all affect how a candy melts in your mouth. Spherical candies dissolve slower than flat ones, providing longer-lasting enjoyment. Some candies are designed with layers that reveal new flavors as they dissolve. It's not just a snack, it's an engineered experience. So now you know hard candy isn't just sugar on a stick. It's a blend of science, art, and a touch of magic cooked up at over 300 degrees. From shimmering colors to flavor-packed oils, every piece is crafted with precision and care, telling a story you can taste. Whether you're a candy lover or just someone who enjoys fun facts, these sweet truths show there's more than meets the tongue when it comes to your favorite treats. If you found yourself saying, "Whoa, I didn't know that," even once, then this is your kind of channel. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss another deep dive into the wild, weird, and wonderful. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is better when it's a little bit sweeter.